Anon Tex Group. Founded in 2004, Anon Tex is a multi-unit, multi-interest and 100% export-oriented green business group with its market base spread in more than 60 countries of the world. Anon Tex Group's wide range of industrial activities is financed by Janata Bank Limited and Islamic Bank Limited. The organization started with 2 acres of land, and now the group factories are spread over 150 acres of land valued at around Taka 50,000 million. The spinning mills of the Anon Tex Group are equipped with high-tech machines from Ryder, Switzerland, Zocha Unzinsa, Germany, Toyota and Murata, Japan, USA, etc., together with spindle capacity of 280,000 and 4,000 rotors have a combined capacity of producing 200 metric tons per day. The crunch lies in the infusion of the high-tech state-of-the-art machinery that helps in the production of high-quality yarn in counts ranging from NE20 to NE100 in single and doubles. We can produce different kinds of yarn like cotton yarn, PC, CVC, melange cotton, melange and viscose melange, slub yarn, core yarn, rotor yarn, model yarn, etc. That is, we have lots of variety of yarn to fulfill customers' basic needs. We are one of the biggest yarn manufacturing companies in Bangladesh. The total cotton consumption of the Anon Tex Group is 230 to 240 metric tons per day. That is 85,000 metric tons per year, the cost of which is around Taka 15,000 million. The conversion cost of the cotton into yarn is Taka 5,500 million. The selling price of the yarn is Taka 24,000 million, while the net profit stands at Taka 3,500 million approximately. The garments, knitting, dyeing and finishing units initiated their journey with the vision of together becoming the most recognized knitwear manufacturing house of the country and to take Bangladesh's reputation of global clothing leader to newer heights, offering the best blend of quality and efficiency. Anon Tex Group's knit-woven garment industries have a production capacity of 120,000 pieces per day. The knit circular and flat circular have a production capacity of 30 tons per day, and the knit dyeing and finishing sections have production capacity of 45 metric tons per day. The annual net profit from the knit industry stands at Taka 32 million approximately. The fully export-oriented sweater yarn and dyeing factories are totally equipped with best quality machinery of latest technology from Japan and Germany. The group's manual sweater unit has production capacity of 10,000 pieces per day, while the computerized flat jacquard unit has a production capacity of 10,000 pieces per day. The yarn dyeing cones and hanks both has production capacity of 40 metric tons, where the yarn dyeing cone has production capacity of 20 metric tons per day. The total production capacity is 5 million pieces per year. The annual net profit from this unit is Taka 700 to 750 million approximately. Zara Label and Packaging Limited produces an extensive line of flexible intermediate bulk containers to meet both large and small volume requirements. Our 100% export-oriented bags are manufactured from approved materials in a double-woven polypropylene construction with custom features designed to meet every application, including food-grade materials. We can produce any kinds and sizes of environment-friendly PP woven bags like FIBC bag, packing bag, food grain bags, waste bags, weed bags, etc. It has a production capacity of 20 metric tons per day. Shuprob Labels and Accessories Limited is one of the top accessories developers, supplier and reliable support service providing company. This skillful blend of management and experience, technical and professional marketing resources is the key to our success. We are producing labels from world-class branded machine Muller, Switzerland, capacity of which is 500,000 pieces per day. Sewing thread, printing items, carton, gum tape, hanger, etc. are also in our product range produced in our industry. It has a production capacity of 2,000 yards per day. The group's own power station uses technology from Powerwell Malaysia, Siemens Germany, Mantra Thailand, and DKC Italy. This technology is being used in many international airports. We also have CAT and Waukesha brand power generator from USA. For uninterrupted electric supply, we have combined 33 megawatt gas and diesel generated captive power plant in our compound. Our ETP capacity is 150 cubic meter per hour and WTP capacity stands at 400,000 liters per hour. Anon Tex is dedicated to preserve a robust and diverse natural environment in its area of operation. We are continuously evaluating and striving to improve our process to reduce pollution and waste, conserve natural resources, and minimize potential negative environmental impacts of our activities and operations. Anon Tex presently employs 16,000 workers in its different units. 60% of them are provided with accommodation in our own dormitories located in the same premises. Required dormitories are under construction to accommodate the rest 40%. The workers are provided with standard food at subsidized rate in lieu of Taka 500 only per month per worker. As a part of social responsibilities, Anon Tex has a policy to employ autistic and less privileged workers. Meantime, 1.5% autistic workers have already been appointed, besides a large number of less privileged members of the society. The group has targeted to increase the autistic quota up to 3%. All workers are enjoying free medical facility and free education for their children. The group also extends marriage expenses for the workers. Anon Tex Group has highly experienced firefighting contingent supported by the best and most modern equipment. To keep the firefighting contingent active, periodical fire drills are organized every month. All concerns of Anon Tex Group have different compliance certification like OEKO Tex, RAP, SEDEX, BSCI, GOTS, Accord and Alliance to fulfill customer requirement so that they are satisfied with Anon Tex to make long-term business relationship.